Today I'll show you how to make a crepe paper poinsettia. Here are the supplies you'll need. You can download the template from my online shop linked in the description box below. Let's get started. Cut out the template pieces. I'm making a medium-sized poinsettia, so I'm only using template pieces 2, 3, and 4, which are the middle sizes for the leaves. To cut out the leaves from the crepe paper, I start with a rectangle of paper for each leaf. Each rectangle is cut along the diagonal. I find it easier to do this if I use my thumb against a straight edge to make a score line along the diagonal first, and then cut along that line. Then I stack the two halves with the grain of the paper going in the same direction. Take the two rectangle halves and place the leaf template along the diagonal edge and cut around the template to cut out both halves of the leaf at once. The grain of the crepe paper will be at a 45-degree angle to the center line of the leaf. If you're using a one-sided paper, like a metallic crepe paper, be sure to cut half of the pieces with the template facing up and the other half with the template flipped over, so when you assemble the leaves you'll be able to match the halves so that both will have the right side of the paper facing up. I'm cutting out 6 leaf halves for each leaf size out of red paper and 6 of the largest size leaf out of green paper. This will make 9 red leaves and 3 green leaves. You can use more or fewer leaves and mix and match different leaf sizes to make poinsettias that each look a little bit different. For each leaf, I need a segment of thin floral wire. I'm cutting 6-inch lengths of 26-gauge floral wire. To assemble a leaf, take 1/2 and put a line of glue down the center. I find that it's easier to apply glue using a small paintbrush. Then put the thin floral wire on top of the glue and put the other leaf half on top, sandwiching the wire in between. The wire will be useful for arranging the position and shape of the leaves. Next, trim the tips of the leaves. Next, make the center. Cut out template pieces 6 and 7 from green crepe paper for the pips and stem covering strips. Twist and fold in half each of the strips cut from template piece 6. Use a stem covering strip and glue to wrap and attach each of the pips to the top of the stem wire. Next, take the 3 smallest red leaves, bend the wire at the base of the leaves, and put them around the center just below where the pips are attached. Glue and wrap the stem covering strip around to attach them. Do the same for the larger red leaves, and then the green leaves. After attaching all the leaves, glue and wrap down the rest of the stem. You can reposition and shape the leaves since they've been wired. And that's it, you're ready to display them. Thanks for watching and see you next time.